Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. As this just unpack on Omotoso. Remember, Omotoso Angiti was acquitted of 32 counts and Nabantu Bako sisters about to Laba Ekfula Uguti. They are the ones who were actually luring these children to come to his house. And then Omotoso Abinzizinto. That Omotoso was acquitted came as a shock actually, because especially on the victims, they were like, hey, because we went through this thing nalo. How can he just be acquitted just like that? We born alone. And after he was acquitted, the question then remained, what is next? What is going to happen now to the victims? Basically on the situation here, Omotoso, and especially because they had actually testified around him. And then Judge Emagwe Emaskumani came up with the story. The state's case was poor and they did not defend themselves. Or should I say, they didn't really defend themselves beyond reasonable doubt. And then Emaskumani was like, I busy poor in those in Bandla. I can't. Your case was swat. Extremely poor. There was nothing there for me to take home, The two ladies who used to lure these children to Omotoso's house are Lusanda Solani and Zugiswa Situ. Nabo, they were not found guilty. Sisters. You saw them at court praying with him, Timothy Omotoso. So some of these victims were actually talking to media in Braamfontein, where there was an inquiry. People were like, guys, all those organizations who say abantu besifazane ngane afunakala bahlukumezeke. All of those people were there at that inquiry then in Braamfontein, Johannesburg. They said they would testify again if they have to, and apparently some of them have come forward to say this is unfair and Timothy Omotoso's acquittal was unfair on them and it does not sit well with them. And you saw one of them was crying on it. The Zondo lady was actually crying immediately after the judgment, after Skuman gave the judgment and blamed NPA. But please, you didn't even do your job. Like, what do you expect from me? Omotoso is going to be free. So some of the organizations came together, like I was still saying, to be busy with Omotoso and open this inquiry around him. And it's still ongoing, that inquiry. It's still going to sit again. It was a whole day, the other day. CRI Commission is the one that's handling this case. Ka Omotoso. The inquiry, basically. Omotoso's counts, to name a few, include HT, ER, and racketeering. Some of these religious leaders are also involved because Omotoso used church to hlukumeza ingane. So they also no, can you also be involved in this inquiry, So the committee for the religious leaders will also, in a month's time, give recommendation for legal framework, because there's what's happening at churches and they have received several complaints about that's going on and the abuse basically of power in those churches. All these women that are involved in Omotoso's case as victims will finally voice out what they had to endure under Omotoso's power. That's exactly how I'm going to put it, because otherwise, how am I going to put it? Because Omotoso thought he had power at the time. You don't know what it is with power. You just think everyone is below you. You don't see anything else, And if Omotoso is not dealt with in this inquiry, so it could be hard for most women. They won't actually no longer come forward because they are scared if Omotoso is still walking the streets. It's just like, those foot And all the victims in Omotoso's case feel that justice was not served, basically. Omotoso yazenza, like, can do whatever he wants. And you know what's crazy? One woman said, actually a few people, Nama said it about 2 weeks ago, if this is not corrected properly, Omotoso Afundiso is found, he's going to do it again. This just was crazy. Chances are he's doing it again now. Who knows? And that inquiry, actually, they also mentioned about Pamela Mabini. You remember her, the whistleblower of this case, Velega Omotoso. She was one of the people who were like, okay, correct. So Kumuli was actually arrested in the airport. He was trying to run to the toilet. Omotoso to the restroom. They were like, "Hey, bro, please come." Yo, I was watching his video when he was arrested. I was like, it's so crazy, this video. So I was still telling you guys about Pamela Mabini Oguti. She was deleted in her car in Gqeberha outside her home. To this day, I saw who deleted her. 2 weeks before Omotoso was free. Is there anything like this, Marcus? What does that even mean? What a coincidence. Njani, uyasibuza ukuthi so bafila ukuthi NPA failed these young women. Yeah. So ngizoyengime lapho kancane ngendaba ka Omotoso. When the inquiry comes again, I will just let you know ukuthi kusakhulunywe ngani, because remember, even the church leaders are given a month to just come up with something. They're gonna use it legally as well and be like, no, yasebenza mos le nto, because there's a lot of complaints around that also, around churches doing stuff to women. So ngizoyengime lapho kancane guys. Thank you so much for your support. Ngithanda over.